When men again taking a quamon bus in Ketata because I have a quanakai sabels because before I got no room. You have a video Ijele me. You have one of exclusive interview me, one of the interviews on our grant ever since Sina Ngawe Pata. So Tupa I got no become him chokuni me become a video post to my English channel. Ijele the community section of this channel. Just see back click on the channel completely. Ibanebe they post. You have to share them the link. They about a young lady Sina. For example, Tata Nyawamaro, the guy born the following day. Because Tata, the guy on that day supposed to be the birthday of the girl, and the guy did not call, and the girl didn't call. So the girl and the boy won't go. Because he ain't man on onya call. Because you know man by 2020 a lot of stories be men as one guy but the only son, the only child of the parents, mecha no bodo je the do on another village or see the girl Gabazia koje kene mad. Unfortunately the guy didn't come back. So I'm good stories man that time a lot I call him bang. So no why no email do me. So when this kind of high when this one high man I be catch him kick about just Ghana the English channel of this page. It just the community section. You just for the post or you click on your YouTube just search for Kafo TV. Yeah fear for profile them na the video. The channel about 9,000 subscribers. Here my English channel near share some news. I go some happenings in the world of generally entertainment news, gossip, go generally, but it's all about English. Such click and you can also follow us on our own my personal Instagram account. Through that channel, personal Instagram account. This channel Instagram account on his own. So you can reach me there or you can reach me there. But the other one, but my own personal Instagram here of what I do for a living, my going and my coming in, my my personal life, all about what I do for a living generally. So because same kono kabakwanaro na subscribe kwa eba nene kwa na eba but nene go no video ijana no first kono no Ijele kunye kanye ni hesi weje na mbojele nga kodi kwan.
Dalu, I greet everybody listening to our brother AGK Kings this wonderful morning. See, AGK, there is something I want you to do. You know, some people tend to misunderstand you, and it's mostly because of the way they say you are unstable. But I understand what you are doing. Your kind of mercy, kindness, and pity is so dangerous. Dangerous in the sense that even when you see not every bad boast is a negative bad boast. There's a positive bad boast that you should let people hammer the person, because there is no way you will tell a criminal that he's a criminal than calling him a criminal. So don't cut certain things. Don't defend. Anybody that feels he wants to defend himself should defend himself after when the person that is talking is speaking is done. And it takes me to the next point, which is this issue of we are all Igbos. Fine, we are all Igbos. Does it mean that if you see an Igbo man that is hosting mostly Igbo people, what is happening in all those business centers we call churches, that is just total brainwash of the people and the truth. You will agree with me that one, Ndi Igbo are one of the smartest people in Nigeria, yet at the same time we have the dumbest people. If people will believe that this one can heal someone, like how? Have you looked at the person's family? Have you looked at the person's village? Have you looked at the person's state? Insecurity everywhere, yet he can't pray it out. Why don't that one that they are doing?
And they are using mobile police too.
I call them police weak association. Police weak association. That is what they are. And if they had that power, are you telling me that all these corrupt policemen they are using, they are not paying them? They are paying them now. And
they pay heavily.
If they had the power to do that, why are they wasting their money on corrupt policemen? It's not possible. Like this, like I said, let me give small announcement. Next tomorrow is my court date in Lagos. And the people that say they are unlocking padlock will come and unlock it too. But I think they will run. I think they will run. I don't top 3. Now 3 I don't top like this. If you watch, sit down, see my slippers. Now top 3 I did. Then they climb mountain, me I climb 3. That wilderness I did like this. All of maybe Shebi I dey wait make them go. Oh, now here I go hide do my own video inside that pit where they see so. Now there I go hide do my own video. No be only them get sense. Anybody whine us this generation, we whine and back.
So, Ijele,
They don't try this.
let me ask you this question. Now, is it not if you open a shop
Wait,
and people are okay?
I'm not hearing you very well.
Okay,
the connection is poor.
I mean, these people who open shop, we are the one going to buy from them. If we stop buying from them, they're gonna close. Like somebody
How are
who's
you to wait now? The same you. How is this not cognitive dissonance? The same you that is saying we need to stop buying for them is the same person that is stopping people that wants to expose that thing very well. See why they keep getting customers. Those customers all really believe those lies. They actually believe those lies they are telling them, of which you yourself know that that thing is pathetic. So if we don't start this way, how are people going to wake up? See what happened to me. I could have settled with them at the police station right there that day, but I said no, that we will never have a better opportunity. We will never have a better opportunity to prove to you, the whole masses, that these people don't have power than now. And this is what we want to prove. Not be to next tomorrow you go come now open padlock. I go carry many padlocks go court. Come open. Small one go there, medium one go there, big one go there. If they must open am. At least let people know that if you don't show it to them, they will not know. You understand? So this is what I've not even started any video.
It's dangerous fighting for our people. I mean, trying to tell our people the truth because we end up becoming their enemy. You know.
Who cares? Who cares? Like, how is that your business that the person you are telling the truth doesn't want to like you? Like, what do you need people's validation for? Who cares whether they like you? And they don't like you, you know they breathe.
You are right. You are right.
I physically see oxygen telling me, Chukwuka, I will stop going through your body. I will start functioning with your body. If you don't stop saying this thing, then I will be concerned. You are not oxygen, you are not nitrogen, you are not hydrogen. Like, there is no real element of life that you fall into. You are just yourself. You say you don't like me because I'm saying the truth. Well, the feeling is mutual. I don't like people who hear the truth too. So you do your own, I do my own. Any other way where you want them, we will finish. We go finish them now. You go start and me go finish them. And this is the mindset our people should have. These people are nobodies. They don't have any power. And if they are doing anything wrong, call it out. Stop saying, oh, because of religion. You mean this person now represents your religion? Scam? Is that what you mean? It's a blatant scam. Who doesn't know Jonathan? That he wasn't a native. I said Jonathan is not a native doctor. This is what on that banner, and that's the banner we are going to defend next tomorrow.
Yeah, even one of it from my state, where is the original of it? They start attacking, just to ask a question.
You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? So, all these things now, hold on, wait, let me respond to this brother. All these things that we are discussing, it is not for us, and it's not for the elderly people. Those ones, their brain has blocked. Now dry cement, you cannot write something on a dry cement. If now wet cement, you go write something for, like you plaster the ground now, the cement still there wet. It is easy to write something there than dry cement, concrete. What you want right there, you know, go enter. Now how some of all these people there, and I don't have their time. That's why we are trying to save the next generation. The kids are watching all these things we are doing on the internet. The children are watching.
Exactly.
And they themselves, in their own quiet time, they will be asking themselves questions. If you like as their teacher, as a preacher or what, preach from now till next tomorrow, teach from now till 1 million years. Whether you like it or Achikomi like you want the model, Dr. Chike, Doc. So whether you like it or not, they are listening and they're asking themselves, look at yourself. All the things they told you when you were growing up, did you believe all of them? You were asking yourself questions.
Exactly.
That's how these kids are also asking themselves questions. Now they want to shut our mouth because they don't want an alternative view. Why? If there is an alternative view, there will be opportunity for people to take left and right. Then
You are right.
combine them together. Know what's right and what's not. But if you close one side, people will be hearing one narrative, and that one will be the established orthodoxy, which is what they are gunning for, and we are not going to let them have it. How is there any time in history, both in politics, in war, of which war is the acting part of politics, in business, in any place, just anthropologically speaking and historically speaking, do you know a time the people that are suppressing speech are the good people?
No, I don't know.
They them Philip Ekelerenge. I see you. So you understand?
Welcome, sir.
The fact that somebody is trying to block another person from speaking means you are lying. Me, I ready for them. I'm telling you, all these pastors, I am willing to have a Bible study debate with them. If they defeat me, I will convert to Christianity and start going to their church. I will join choir, I will be cleaning, I will help the equipment people, I will be sleeping in that church morning till night. Like, if any of them defeat me in any Bible study,
He said something that struck my mind. He said that you had the opportunity to dialogue even that hour, but you said no. Instead, let it take you to wherever you want the truth to come out.
As to be useless Peter Ejike in police prosecution where they don't sack, now ask am. Ask people where they don't descend. You see that one where they in charge of illegal thing, that man the way fat. Ask him whether he bring phone, make I follow my uncle talk through his phone, or whether it happen or not. You don't understand me, ba?
What a great sacrifice.
So not be, I know they tell you, say them no. They don't use so many people. Most of the most of the politicians who I know call a single person. Somebody saw me at Ikoyi and say, have you called Senator Chimaro Okennaman? I said, I don't want to call the Joe. He said, why? I said, because if I call him, he go say, make we just set na peace, go dey talk and settlement. I'm not waiting I want. I did not call a single politician. Even when this case started, there was there is our brother, military guy, Chimezie is here. He was in that call on that call that day. Very first 2 weeks, he said that they want to step in. I said, no, nobody needs to step in. We want to follow this thing the right way. Ask him, ask him, he's there now. So there are things that wait, now go these people write book. I go write them for book, but you go tell them. All these interviews you are seeing, I've not started anything, no. I've not started anything. I just want the case to feel like tomorrow, once he comes and open the padlock, no worry, me, I go back to Ikoyi. You know, open now. Now that time on, I go reveal all the politicians who make calls, all the ministers where they call, all the people, because my brother, calm down. By the time it's done, I don't know how many people will go still they believe all those fraudsters. Of which you self know say the people where they defend them online don't reduce. Anybody you see still carrying it on their head is either expecting something or is being paid. Now me they tell you.
Right. You're right.
Now what if the two they no gree pay them after they go begin the shout, oh, these people I didn't know they were bad. Oh, you didn't know they were bad all the times you were telling you. Yeah. Now when you know favor you again now, you go come, they shout, say me the people.
Okay. Two flash, sir. Can you update your Facebook so that I can be able to come in? So, Ijele, do you think that Father Mbaka is jealous of any pastor in Nigeria? Is jealous of people, as people likely say that he's jealous or whatever? Do you think it's possible?
Our people see the problem with Ndi Igbo, most Ndi Igbo, not some, most Ndi Igbo. They see the truth as attack. And when you are attacking somebody, they will not say that one is saying the truth. That is the problem. We have this contrived way of thinking and understanding things. If the Mbaka we are talking about, the only person that started before him was Adede. All the people that are starting now.
Yeah.
You understand? Imagine
Yes.
is young. Okunere was later. But when you talk about the foundational father, the pillar of all these things, now for all these formats, this one copy from this one copy from this. So if they are having a problem, it is their business problem they have, not that this one is jealous. Mbaka cannot be jealous of somebody he brought up. You
Exactly.
understand? And as for Matthias and his problem with Mbaka, I don't know why Matthias haven't told you people what he told me about Mbaka, and me, I cannot reveal
No, please, sir.
somebody.
Don't reveal it, please, sir. Please, sir.
No, no,
Yeah,
no, no,
please.
no, I'm not a fool. If,
Yes, sir.
if you discuss something with me, no matter, even if you are my enemy, you will not hear it from me. Okay? So,
Yes, sir.
there is what Matthias told me, that was around 2016 or 17. That time, I think it was when he just started questioning Christianity. He called me, asked him, he knows this thing. I was in Istanbul that day. I can remember the house I was living in then, and I remember he called me. There was a thing he told me, and some of you that are
Okay,
saying,
Chibeta, please, can you open your own, sir?
you understand?
Yes, sir.
What he told me then, if he tells you people, you will know where that thing is coming from. You will know where it's coming from, but I will let him tell you. Then, if he say he has forgotten, I will now tell you people what he said. Then you ask him. Matthias is not my friend.
Yeah,